here we are at the second house. This house is 6,403 square feet. Okay, this one, I just walked through it and we're gonna have a competition at the end. We're gonna see how many bedrooms you think there are in this house because I actually could not keep count. Let's go take a look. Okay, here we are in the inside of the house. As you walk in, there's this stairway that goes up to a second floor, which I'll show you in just a little bit. We'll come back to this part of the house. But as you can see, it's very open. There's a bathroom as soon as you walk in for guests. It's a half bath. And then you walk in through this entryway. There's closets. You'll notice that the floor is this oak floor. I think that's one of the things that I would probably change just to update it to make it a little bit more modern. You have an office space, very large. And then it opens into this beautiful living room with a vaulted ceiling. You have a little bar area where your kids can do homework. You have storage spaces. The cabinets are also oak though, which I would probably update that and change it just to make it a little bit more modern. But you have an island in the kitchen. You have tons of cabinets, tons of storage space, a bar on the island, and then this beautiful open dining space. You have kind of a hutch where you can keep china. You have a pantry as well where you can keep more food. There's even an area for a piano. And then, as you walk down this hallway, you have another bathroom. That one's a half bath. You have the laundry room. This has a full sink, storage space. There's a place for folding clothes. But then this is really cool. We have a 3-car garage with stairs that lead down to it. There's a workspace on the side. It's just absolutely unlike anything I've ever seen, which is amazing. Okay, and then we have on this side of the house this master bedroom. So this is one bedroom. It's huge, but there are 2 sinks. These look like they've been updated recently. They're more modern looking. Maybe just need some paint on the cabinets, not too much. And then you have a walk-in closet, storage space. You have a jacuzzi tub. Look at that, with a window view of your backyard. And then a walk-in shower, the toilet that has the door that you can close and have some privacy. And that is the first master bedroom. Notice I said first because you're in for a surprise. Just you have to wait a little bit. But up this first staircase, a little bit of a community room, which I at first thought was a bedroom, but it is not. So you have this large bathroom, double sinks as well, the door that closes off from the toilet and the shower, so your kids don't fight over who has to be in the bathroom. If one wants to brush their teeth, the other can be in the shower, which would be helpful for a large family. You have this first bedroom. There's built-in bookcases. There's a nice little walk-in closet. And another bedroom. This one also has a walk-in closet and the built-in bookshelves on this side. Okay, and then down to the main part of the house again. All right, so here we are back in that area that you kind of got a glimpse of when we first walked in the door. But this is a big center community area. This is where you could have your pool table, couches, you could have a TV. This could be kind of where you all congregate, a giant living area. There is a bar on this side. You have even a stove to heat up water for tea or coffee. There's a dishwasher. It's kind of like your butler's kitchen. And I will show you upstairs on this because as you can see, there is a giant catwalk up here. It's very well lit with all these beautiful noticing that there are built-in speakers so you can have your surround sound system. Nice. But as we go up, a little corner space that you could possibly put another desk in. You could make it a little office, but we have a bedroom. And this one has a walk-in closet as well. It seems like all of these bedrooms have walk-in closets. A lovely balcony that gives you a view of the front yard. I'll show you the other room that's connected to the balcony. It's pretty much the same as the one that we saw before. It has that nice walk-in closet. And I'm noticing that all of the carpet upstairs is brand new. I have a full bath on this side that has the closed off shower and toilet, which is always nice. And then I believe this is just an attic space, but you have lots of storage up here if you need it. And then I'll head back down and we can show you the other half of the house. Okay, here we are in the second half of the house, which I know you think that we saw everything. We saw a kitchen, we saw the master bedroom, we saw all the other bedrooms, we saw bathrooms, we saw the living room, but guess what? We have so much more. We have another full bath, and that's next to this room. And that one is pretty much the same as the other one. It has a pretty big closet. It's connected to this bathroom, and just in case you need it, you have another kitchen, another full kitchen. This one looks like it's been, the countertops have been remodeled recently. The cabinets are still oak, so I would replace those just to make it a little bit more modern. But you have an entire entertainment room again, another living room, family space. You have your dining room, another place to store your china. This one's a little bit larger. And you have a lot of hallway storage space. You can put towels and everything in this, bedding, sheets. This is one of my favorite parts of the house, personally, because I would love an office like this. But it's huge. You have two places for computers. You have all of these bookshelves, just gorgeous view of the garden. And then it's strangely connected to the washer and dryer room. You have a full sink, all of the storage space, and across the hall, another master bedroom. You have the full bedroom looking out into the backyard. And then you have the double sinks again, brand new tile, a vanity area with gorgeous lighting. This is just bright natural light in here. You have another jacuzzi tub. You have the same type of walk-in shower with the toilet in here. And another walk-in closet. Ta-da! All right, and we have just a couple more areas of the house. I will show you upstairs. Upstairs, we have a bonus area. And you could make this into a game room, a playroom for your children. If you needed another bedroom, you could definitely use this side of it because you have another closet in here. But there's lots of storage space. This would be great if you're homeschooling your children. This could be kind of like the schoolhouse. So I will show you the garage back down here, just in case you needed another 3-car garage. Here we are. This one's, it's huge. It doesn't have the workspace like the other garage that we saw, and it doesn't have the stairs leading down to it, but still good in case you have 3 cars. So you could have a total of 6 cars. But that concludes the entire house, and I really hope that you enjoyed that little walkthrough. So in between our first side of the house and the second side of the house. We have this gorgeous backyard that connects them. As you can see, they have a grill. They have 2 tables with umbrellas so you can have all of your parties out here and entertain. There's a nice expanse of grass so you can have your children running around. There's even a gazebo in the back so you can either grow flowers in it. It looks like it could be used as a greenhouse or just a nice place to sit in the summer. I think it is beautiful. It also looks very low maintenance with the landscape. The trees and the plants that they have are plants that thrive really easily, pretty much by themselves. Yay! So this house, as you saw, was the perfect house for a multi-generational family, a family that wants to live together but still wants to have their own space. So I want to know, how many bedrooms did you think were in this house? Tell us in the comments and we'll pick 3 random people to give a Korean snack pack to. Please like and subscribe to this video as well if you liked it. Thank you.